Jesus, you died upon the cross, then rose again to save the lost. What is up, UKULIMBAKERS? If you love ukulele or kalimba or maybe both, you are UKULIMBAKERS according to me. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you a song. It's called Salvation Poem or Poem. This is the theme song of Superbook. This song is requested by Kaisel Mo. Okay, shout out to you. So here's the piece of paper with all the chords that you need for this song. I'll give you a couple of seconds to take a look at that. Easy chords. We're using D. We have A, B minor, and G. Alright? And we're playing this song in key of D. If you know the song, let's proceed. But in case you need a quick tutorial, let me give you one. So D, you're using these fingers all in the second fret, on the second fret of your ukulele. You can use this one or this one. Okay? D. And we have A. So from D, all you need to do is to take these two fingers off and put your number one finger in the second fret of G string. I mean C string. This one. Alright? Now let's go to B minor. Your number 3 finger going to the 4th fret of the G string. And bar your number 1 finger right here in the 2nd fret. All strings. Sounds like that. And finally we have G. Okay, 2 fingers right here, number 1 to 2nd fret of these strings, and then here in the middle, 3rd string, you have this one. Okay, so those are the chords for this song. Make sure your ukulele is in standard tuning before we start it. Okay, let's start. Alright, so let's go to the strumming pattern. We have 2 strumming patterns. The first one is the strumming pattern we use for the intro, interlude, and solo. Iisang strumming pattern lang. All the same. And the other one is for the verse and chorus. Okay, so the first strumming pattern is down, 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 down. All downstroke. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, the next strumming pattern is down, down, up, 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 down. So, the first strumming pattern, yung puro downstroke, all downstroke, should be used for intro, interlude, and solo. Down, 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 down. For your verse and chorus, we have down, down, up, 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 down. Down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, and we put down, up as end. So, listen and feel the rhythm of this strumming pattern. Down, down, up, 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 down, and down, down, up, 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 down, and down, down, up, 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 down, and okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay, so you get it. Also, I made a song sheet for you. It's downloadable for free. Please check out the link below. Okay, so let's go to the intro of the song. We're using D, and it has its riff. We have Disus and Disus. This is 2 and this is 4, but you don't need to worry about those names because I'll just teach you how to do it right here. Okay, it sounds like this. Close, open, sus. Open, close, open, sus. Open, close. So what do we do there? If you will only use one string, it will sound like this. So we're only moving this string. Okay, I mean the finger that is placed on this string. So it sounds like. Alright, so close, open, sus, open, close. Okay, so we have there 2 parts. Okay, let me break that down for you. So the first part goes like. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? And then the next part, the second part, you go to the 3rd fret of this string, and that is 2 beats. 1 and 2, and then open. 3 and when you hit 4, put it here. Back to D. So overall, it sounds like this. You can just replay this over and over if you haven't get it yet, but let me show you in the camera. Open, close, close, open, sus, open, close, close, open, close, open, sus, open, close. That sounds like that. That's your intro, interlude, and solo. Alright, so let's go to the verse of the song. The verse and chorus, they have chords with 2 beats. So, this strumming pattern is very useful. We have down, down, that's your 2 beats. Up, 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 down, that's another 2 beats. So, that's the second strumming pattern that we have, right? Down, down, up, 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 down. So, just for example, in the beginning of the verse, we have Jesus, you died. D there is 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upon a cross, A and B minor share the strumming pattern. Upon a cross. You get that? So, 4 beats and then 2 beats, 2 beats. Jesus, you died upon a cross. So, the song has basically that structure. We have 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so all you need to do is to look at the chords chart right here and follow the same pattern or same structure. 4 beats, 2 beats, 2 beats. Okay? Alright, so the verse sounds like this. Jesus, you died, and A, B minor, and G, 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 and A, D, D. Forgive me, Lord, and A, B minor, come be my Savior, A and D. You get that? So after that, we go to chorus. In the chorus, we start with G. So same structure, okay? We have G, 4 beats. Change my life, and A, 2 beats, make it. And then B minor, 2 beats, new. Okay, so down, down, up, 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 down, and down, down, up, 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 down. So that's the same structure all throughout. Change my life and make it new, and help me, Lord, and A, D, D. Again, change my life and make it new, and help me, Lord. In the second repetition, we stay in A for 4 beats, and to live for you, then intro riff. So 2 times. So again, chorus, let's go to the top. Change my life and make it new, and help me, Lord, to live for you. Change my life and make it new, and help me, Lord. A is 4 beats, then to live for you. Okay? After that, we go to the verse again. So, Jesus, you died upon a cross. So better if you will jump along with me. So, grab your ukulele and let's do this together. Okay? Verse 1. This is the second verse already. Okay? After this, we just need to repeat the chorus and the interlude or solo. Okay, so let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jesus, you died upon a cross and rose again to save the lost. Forgive me now and of all my sin. Come be my Savior, Lord and friend. Chorus. Change my life and make it be minor, and G, 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 and A, D, D. Change my life and make it new, and help me, Lord, to live chorus. Change my life and make it be minor, and help me, Lord, to live for you. Change my, G. Change, my life and make it new, and help me, Lord, to live. Then you end like this, for you. Okay? Alright, so if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing this channel for more Christian music ukulele tutorial. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Paalam.